Printify is making the biggest and best catalog in POD history even better. Take the market by storm by adding the hottest and newest products to your virtual shelves sooner than ever before. Look, we know that sometimes waiting for a product to arrive in our catalog be like, good things take time, but we hear you. So, what if we said that the products you want to sell from the best priced POD platform will hit your virtual shelves faster than ever with the new Early Access section of the Printify catalog? As the name suggests, Early Access gives you quicker access to our newly added products, selected by popular demand and our in-house experts. They'll be available for sale, but these products are so new, you're gonna have to roll up your sleeves and get a little hands-on. To showcase the hottest items in your store, you'll need to make your own mockups since these specific products don't include any Printify mockups yet and won't have preview mode available in the product creator. But we already know you're more than ready to sell and that creating your own unique mockups or ordering samples and taking your own product photos like a pro is a great way to make sales. You'll still be able to download various design assets from the product creator, like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop templates and product images. I know you're eager to get started, but let me share how Early Access could take your business up a notch. With Early Access, you'll be able to react to trends a lot quicker, not just because you'll have a wider selection of products, but we're adding brand new products every week, so keep checking in. You'll be able to sell the products your customers want and snag those profits before everyone else. And if you're selling products from a different supplier, you can import more of those orders to Printify so everything's in one convenient place, which just so happens to be the world's most loved POD platform. I'll show you how in a minute. Let's check out how Early Access works. You can either create and publish new products from scratch or fulfill orders for existing listings by manually importing orders from your sales channel. Let's create one from scratch first. From your Printify dashboard, we can go to the catalog in the left menu and find Early Access. Here we can browse all the fresh new products that we've added to the catalog. Now, you would do the same process as you would for any other product. Select your product, we'll choose this crew neck sweatshirt, and click Start Designing. Everything else will be the same. We can add our design. Let's choose one from my library. Now, if we want to go preview this, we can actually see that there are no pre-made Printify mockups just yet. However, we can download our files, and we know you know what you're doing, so let's share how we can create some mockups. All right, so we can make our own mockups if we have a product that has a flat print area, like this sweatshirt or a t-shirt, maybe a canvas or a flask. We can simply download the product photo and drag our design onto the product. Let's see how to do that with Adobe Express. So from our product creator, we can download all the files available for this product. We can see that we have all the different color variants for both the front and back of the product. Now, if it's available, you may also get the Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator templates, but it's not available for all products. Now, we're gonna open up Adobe Express, and we're gonna take one of those product photos and simply drag it right in. We can drag the photo image into our canvas, and we're gonna resize it so it's the same size as our canvas here. Now, if we want, we can remove the background of this photo. We can add our own background, but I'm gonna leave it as is. And now we can take our design, we can either upload it or we can create it right here in Adobe Express. We can drag and drop our design. And again, we're just gonna place it, right onto our product photo. We'll select that layer and resize it. And now, once we're happy with our mockup photo, we can go to Download, and we'll save it as a PNG. And that's it. For more complicated products, like an umbrella for example, you can either download those Photoshop templates from the product creator to create your own mockups, or you can have an even easier option with pre-made mockups from Placeit. Let's see how that would look. In Placeit, we can simply search umbrella or umbrella mockup, and right away we've already got tons of different options. I like this one. We can see the entire umbrella. When you find one that you like, simply click on it, and we're going to edit this. And then all we have to do is upload our design into Placeit. So we'll click on Design, upload from our device. And here now, once it's uploaded, we can crop it a little bit. We can zoom in, zoom out if we want. Now, of course, we don't want any transparency showing here. So we'll fill this whole canvas in. And when you're happy, click Crop. And now it's been added automatically to our product. From here, we can download our mockup image. Now, there's one more way to create really unique mockups, and that's ordering your samples and taking your own product photos. So to order samples, we can go back into Printify, and on the My Products page, in the top right corner, we can find Create Order. And here we'll simply click Sample, find your product, choose your size, and continue as you would creating any other order. Let's say we have existing products or orders that we'd like to now fulfill with Printify's early access products. Once you get an order of said product, you'll need to manually import the order from your sales channel and link it to a product in our catalog. You're gonna go to the orders page in your Printify account, and you're gonna find the Other Orders tab. From here, you can find the order, click on it, and now you can select a product to match with that item. You can either choose an existing product that you've already created, or you can find one and create it again from our catalog. So we'll choose our item, you can choose the color and the size, and you can choose to automatically import orders with this product variant. This means anytime a customer orders this exact variant again, it'll automatically import into your Printify orders. If you don't check it, you'll have to manually import that order again for future orders. We'll confirm it, and now in the top right, we click Import Order. We'll confirm it once more. Now, if we go back to the My Orders page, the Printify orders will see that our item has brought in and is pending, and it'll be approved based on your order approval settings. Go ahead and check out early access for yourself. And if you really want to stand out with the trendiest products, you've got to know which categories are making sellers bank in Q4.